So question 9 says find the equation of the horizontal line that contains the point 8, -5. Express the equation using either the general form or the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line. So we'll start with the slope-intercept form. So the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line is defined by the equation y equals mx plus b, where m represents the change in the rate of change or the slope, and the b is going to be considered the y-intercept. So in our formula, the two things we have to identify the right equation of line is the slope and the y-intercept. So in our problem here, we have a horizontal line that passes through the point 8, -5. So 8 is actually, there's 6, there's 7, there's 8. 8's out here. -5 would be about here. Now, since it says it's a horizontal line, that's a nice little hint. Horizontal line means you're going from left to right. So left to right, just like the horizon. So what I can do is I can draw a horizontal line through here like so. By doing so, you can kind of see that the y-intercept is actually this -5. And again, notice how, if I'm talking about the rate of change, the slope, there is no change in the y. There's only change in the x. So notice how it's not moving up or down, it's just moving left and right. So there is a change. Now, if I actually use those 2 points, 8, -5, and 0, -5, you can kind of see that the slope is going to be, notice it's going to be a -5, take away a -5, and then you'll have 0, take away 8. So you'd have actually -5 plus 5 over -8. So it's going to be 0 over a -8. So what this is saying is, if your slope is 0, there's no change from this point. But if you move left 8, you're going to be over here at the y-intercept. So that would be a change of -8 is moving to there. But notice how it's going to still be a horizontal line. So write an equation of a line, you're going to have y equals, and then notice how the slope is actually going to be 0. Because again, that's a clue, a horizontal line, the slope is 0. That's going to be 0x. And then you have plus b, but since b is a -5, that's just going to be a -5 in that position. So in other words, y equals -5. So y equals -5. So what we pick up on is a horizontal line is actually going to be depicted by the y value of the ordered pair. So the shortcut is the horizontal line is just going to be y equals the y value. In this case, if we call this x1, y1, y is going to equal the y1 value. So in other words, y would equal this -5. So a vertical line can be defined by something like that. I should say a horizontal line. So horizontal line, when I write the equation, it's going to involve the y coordinate of the point. So slope-intercept form is going to be when the equation is y equals something. So we'll stop there.